All right, so I want to tell you guys a little bit about what we're going to be covering in this course. We're going to be working on just Charleston. And we have a basic Charleston that looks like this, and we're going to do a little bit of variation on the movement so you can learn how to repeat the repeatable elements, like the walking aspect, the switching aspect. So we have a little pattern that we're always going to apply our styling to in order to practice all the parts of it. Now, we're going to cover things like groove walks. Each section is going to have a relaxed looking Charleston and a more exciting Charleston or version of it until you get to the flash section where it's all pretty exciting. So a lot of that has to do with like releasing energy throughout the rhythm of the music and your movement. So you get more exciting dancing. A lot of people have a lot of energy in their dancing, but they don't know where to put it, so things just go off beat or too fast because they don't have a movement in which to expel that energy. And that's really what we're going to work on in each section is how to take a Charleston and expel more energy into that Charleston and see how it kind of transforms into a different shape. These movements are, I think, essential to being a good swing dancer. You're going to find a lot of these body movements in Lindy Hop stylings, jazz, and it's a lot of the cooler looking stuff because it's a lot of contra body movement that happens in the Charleston. So if you think you know a basic Charleston, think again, it gets pretty tricky and really awesome and cool. It's going to be a very challenging course using just a simple step, and it's going to hopefully blow your minds on how much you can do with a Charleston and how much your Charleston can grow. So get ready for some fun and get on your dancing shoes and let's get started.